Hey, yo, yo, yo. Hola, buenos dias. Hello, good morning. Konnichiwa at magandang araw sa lahat. And eto si Hey HJ again. Back at it again with Bang Bang. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Trust Trade Shooting Range located at San Juan City, 7th floor, GG8 Building, 294 Santolan Road, Barangay West, Crame, San Juan City. And they are open on Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. And you can check their website as trusttrade.com.ph. Ayan po, makikita po natin yung mga items nila dito for sale. And nagkakaroon po sila dito ng mga big discounts pag meron po sila mga promos. So yan, makikita nyo po yung kanilang mga units. Ito po ay hindi masyadong detailed, napadaan lang po tayo dito. At kung makikita nyo yung weapon light na nasa lamesa, yun po yung ating sinadya. And kung gusto nyo naman pong magpa-assist from scratch, sila po ay nag-a-assist din po dito sa Trust Trade from LTOF to permit to carry. Okay? And you can just look for Kuya Hill for more further assistance, and he can help you with your inquiries. At ayan po ang kanilang shooting range. At makikita nyo po kung gaano to kalinis, gaano ka proper ng mga tao, kagalang ng mga range officers. And ayan, meron po silang coffee shop kung kayo po ay maghihintay or mag-i-inquire or magtatanong. And kung puno pa, pwede po ay dyan waiting if ever. And ayan, ito yung mga rentals nila. Merong Rooney kits, revolvers, 45s, 9Ms, and PCCs. May mahaba din po dyan. May shotgun din. And you can look for Kuya Hill, of course, ang ating napakabait na kaibigan na nirecommend ni Sir Snooki Cruz. Search nyo din po si Sir Snooki Cruz, ang ating kaibigan, mentor pagdating sa Bang Bang. Ayan, makikita nyo po yung paligid ng kanilang shooting range, at ang baba nito ay parking lot ng cars and motorbikes. So yeah, just don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and comment below, mga ka-Bang Bang.